saan ba natin pag-aaral ng anak natin? Ang gusto ko sana ay yung medical edukasyon, pero hindi naman yung purong libro lang.
Yun na nga eh. Ang gusto ko sana yung nagtuturo ng disiplina at respeto. Yung may takot sa Diyos ko niya. Iba na kasi ang panahon ngayon, delikado na.
Mapa, basta po ang gusto ko ng school ay magiging masaya ako at ihahanda ako sa aking hinaharap.
Problem solved!
Sino ba?
Kung ang hanap ninyo ay excellent values and future-ready education, huwag na kayong lumayo pa. Welcome to the School of Truth and Compassion. I'm your guide to a better future. Kumapit kayo sa akin dahil dadalhin ko kayo sa pinakamagandang eskwelahan dito sa Calabanga. 1, 2, 3,
Welcome to the Dominican School of Calabanga, where here you are not just my student, you are also part of our family. Tama! Dito sa Dominican School of Calabanga, we foster faith-based and value-oriented teaching to students. The school homes the learners based on the Catholic principles, which is the truth, justice, and compassion.
Paano ang academics dito?
Well, pagdating naman sa academics namin, meron kaming simula kinder hanggang elementary, high school, at senior high school. As the sole Catholic school here in Calabanga, we always strive for both academic and spiritual experience. From preschool to high school, we teach a Montessori approach which is modern and child-centered. And for senior high school, we offer all the academic genres, which is the STEM, ABM, GAS, and BUs. Mahal, tingnan nyo. Mukhang masasayang estudyante dito. Nilang puro stress. Ganyan ang holistic development na tinuturo dito. We nurture an intellectual, spiritual, and social growth for all the students. We have a very supportive community wherein the teachers, parents, and students help together and build a strong bond with one another.
So sinasabi mo na makakapaganda dito ang aming anak sa koleyo at buhay?
Correct! We prepare them for endless possibilities, quality education na abot kaya at inklusibo para sa lahat ng mga bata. Hindi lamang sa mga taga-Calabanga, kundi pati na rin sa mga kabataan ng ibang lugar.
Ma, excited na po akong pumasok dito. Sana marami akong maging kaibigan at matutunan.
Kaya kayo, what are you waiting for? Be part of the Dominican family. Kung saan ang may kalaman, ay may kasiyahan. Sa Dominican School of Calabanga, truth, justice, and compassion ay palaging makikita. And now,